Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button.
Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified.
Sorry I was missing. I am sick, which I am now hopped up on Dayquil. So, but I made it through the day and now we're here. I'm excited to say that the customer has changed her mind on this table. I shouldn't be excited that a customer doesn't want a product because, I mean, this was a guaranteed sale, custom order, but she's decided to look for a different table and I get to do this one any way I want. So I'm very excited because we're going to take the stain off this and we're going to put the hairpin legs on it and it's going to be beautiful. And I know it's not a guaranteed sale. It could take a while to sell it, but it is what it is. And I'm be much happier with this as a table that I've designed than painting this. So we're going to get it sanded down today at the very least. And then got to clear coat it and put some legs on it. So I'm excited. I did not want to paint this. I was like, oh, please tell me you don't want it painted. And then she didn't get back to me all weekend. And then I finally followed up with her today and said, just circling back on this, I wouldn't be at all upset if you said you didn't want it because of the change in plans. And she was like, I think I'll just keep my eyes open for something else. I'm like, okay. Okay. Now I get to do it any way I want. No, it's mine. We're gonna get it. It's gonna be beautiful. All right, that's the 80 grit down. I might get the 120. Where's my 120? I got a whole box of them. I did. I got a whole box of them. Okay. Yeah. I got a 150. Move up the numbers slowly but surely. Next. That is a really pretty piece of wood. Looks much darker in the camera than it does in person. Huh. Do I look tanner? I might be super pale in person. This is as far as I can go tonight because I'm out of tongue oil. Because of all the things I would run out of, I ran out of tongue oil. I never run out of tongue oil. I don't even remember using the last of it, but so I've been licked by lack of tongue. It is my preferred finish is some tongue oil, and I don't want to do this half A. I can't be demonetized for saying that. I don't want to take it half of what it should be. This should be beautiful. And I mean, this is a really nice piece of wood. Really nice piece of wood. It's beautiful. Needs to be dusted. Like, I gotta get it cleaned up. which is great because I'm going to run a damp cloth over it, get all the dust off of it. It'll have time to dry while I go pick up tung oil tomorrow. Tomorrow is the Picket Fence Gals live tour. So I won't be able to work on it tomorrow. I think we're gonna Monday, I think. I think I can work on it Wednesday. Got my bottle of water here. I always keep a little water on hand. But let's see what it's gonna look like when we hit it with some tung oil. Oh, it'll be pretty. It's gonna be pretty. So this wet look is what it'll look like when the tung oil is on it. I do think this has filler in it. I may have to scrape that out. I don't want any wood filler in there. This has had a life, that's for sure. It definitely has some dings and dents and things like that, but that's okay to me. I don't have a problem with that. I know some people would like belt sand it down to perfect. That kind of defeats the purpose of it having 100-year-old life to it. You know what I'm saying? Like if I made this a brand new piece of wood, I might as well just go get some edge glued pine and make a brand new table. I want to leave some of the imperfections in place. And you can see there are dark spots where this has been loved. This table has been used and loved. And I don't want to lose that. Look how pretty that is. It's so pretty. This is why I was excited she did not want it. She changed her mind. I'll just look for something else. I'm like, okay. I don't need to be excited because I know it's not a guarantee that this will sell or anybody else will like that it's got the dents and dings in it, but I like it. So that's what we doing. That's what we're doing. This side seems to have a lot more damage to it. I don't know what happened over here. But you can see there's just like a whole bunch of really dark marks in here. But personally, I want to keep that. I don't know, maybe you can't see it up here. There! You can see the dark marks. So there are some dark marks. Let me zoom in. Evidently, I can't zoom in on this one. But there are, yeah, you can see them. Some dark marks here. And I don't want to lose those. They're along the whole piece. They're much heavier on this edge for some reason. But that gives it that aged look, that character that, I mean, let's face it, when you buy a distressed piece, somebody spent time beating it up to look like this, and we just got it from age. Free distressing. Okay, it looks like there was filler here too, and it's come out, and that's a little rough, so that may get sanded down a little bit more. I don't want to take it out completely, the divot out completely, because again, that's character. I don't want any sharp pieces, which is not sharp. Nothing's catching on it, but I don't know. Game time decision, I guess. That is a pretty piece of wood. When all is said and done, that is a pretty piece of wood. And these little marks just give it that little extra life. And this is, I think, a pencil mark. I think there's the woodworker's pencil mark, I think, goes all the way through. Is this pencil? No, that would have come off if that were pencil. No, there's a crack through it. Okay, cool. It's a crack through. gonna be pretty. Those hairpin legs. Gonna make me happy. Oh, it shouldn't make me that happy. But it does. I'm very pleased with this. Ugh, dusty, dusty, dusty. Get my brush on it here. All right, we'll let that wood dry and I will get to the store and get some tung oil. But that's all. I'm all dusty. I'm all dusty. I'm gonna go pick up the kid in a little bit. I'm gonna get some dust off me. But that's about all I got to do today. But I'm very excited. I'm very happy. The hairpin legs are back here on the wall, so those will go on the bottom of this. And it's gonna be great. It's gonna be awesome. The only problem with that I see is this side, the wood is wider than this side. So we need to make sure that the legs come in the equidistance so that the table doesn't look off kilter when you see it from the side. So I want to make sure I measure in and don't put the hairpin legs like right up to the edge. I can put them up to the edge there, but not here because that's wider. So I'm going to make sure we measure that. Just got to measure it. That'll be great. It'll be awesome. I'm so happy. All right. Thanks for watching, you guys. Happy junkin'. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.